Hey friends, today I need your help. We have to sort some dirty laundry. Phew, there are some dirty, stinky socks in here. We need to get into these laundry baskets so that we can get them washed. I don't like stinky, dirty socks. Phew. All right, we're gonna dig around and see what we can find. Do you see anything at the bottom of this? I see something. I see, what do you see? Dirty socks. I wonder what color I see. Two different colors. I'm going to pull them out and see who can help me. I see a purple sock and I see a red sock. Who's on that red sock? Right, it's T-Rex, the dinosaur. Awesome. Where does that T-Rex dinosaur sock, stinky sock, go? I'm looking around over here. I see purple, green, and yellow, and red, orange, and blue. Where does the dinosaur sock go? In the red basket. Nice job. Okay, and we have a purple one with purple stripes. Where does the purple one go? You're right, it goes on the top in the purple basket. Awesome job, friends. Okay, let's dig around and see if I can find another one. Let's see what color we found. Another purple sock. You're right, there are two purple socks. Awesome. I'm going to put it inside. There are two purple socks. I'm going to dig around and see what else I can find. I see another. Ew. Ew. This one is stinky. What color is this one? You're right, it's yellow. And who is on the yellow sock? It's another dinosaur. The yellow and the red sock both have a dinosaur on it, but they don't go in the same basket because they're different colors. This one goes in the yellow basket. You're right, we have to match it. Okay, let's dig around and see. I see another one. It's another dinosaur. This dinosaur sock is on a green sock. Yeah, we got to put it in the green laundry basket. Where? There it is. It's on the top. Awesome. Okay, digging around. I'm going to see what else. I see another one. This one is different. It does not have a dinosaur. It's blue. You're right, with little stripes on the top. Okay, let's put it in the blue laundry basket. There it is. Awesome. Dig around some more. I found another red sock. This red sock does not have a dinosaur. It is different from this red sock, but it still goes in the same basket because they are both red. Nice job. Okay, I see another one sticking out here. Ugh, this stinky sock. This one is close to red, but it's a different color. It's called orange. And this orange sock has stripes on it. I see the orange basket. Nice job. Okay, I see another one. Oh, let's see what color we find. This one has stripes. It has stripes like the orange one, but it's different. It's a different color. I see the stripes are the same, but it doesn't go in that laundry basket because it's different. It is yellow. Yellow goes in the yellow basket. Nice job. Okay, I see another one. Let's see what color this one is. It's blue. We found the blue sock with stripes. There's stripes going across the blue sock. All right, I'm going to match it in the blue one. See if we see any more. Do you see any other stinky socks? You see one? I see one too. This one has the same stripes as the blue one, but it's a different color. It's green. So it's going to go in the green laundry basket. Nice job. Are there any more? Did we do all of our laundry? Oh, no, I see one left hiding under here. It doesn't want to get cleaned. Get out of there, sock. You are stinky. This is an orange sock. The orange sock is going to go into the orange laundry basket. Nice job. Awesome, friends. We found all of our stinky, dirty socks. And now it's time for us to take them to the laundry. Yeah, we're going to take them to the washing machine and get them all clean. Thanks for helping. We found purple socks. We found yellow socks. We found orange socks. We found green socks. We found red socks. And we found blue socks. Nice job, friends. Thanks for helping me today. You did a really nice job. I am going to be all